Hi. So it's me and the guitar bot. I have a very important role in tonight's performance. I press go, and then it takes over, and it will be performing music by three composers. The first one you'll hear, three pieces by Mark Mellitz. He is a performer formerly of upstate New York. He's now, I believe, in Chicago. Great. They sort of, for lack of a better term, call him a minimalist composer. I don't. I think he's just a great composer. Then a person we worked with, a Juilliard graduate, worked with a while ago, named Brendan Adamson. There'll be four pieces by him. And then the closing piece is the most recent artist that we've worked with. His name is TODD REYNOLDS. He is a violinist. He plays violin, laptop, and collaborates with the robots. This is a piece he wrote for solo robotics, and it is on his album that he recently released called Outer Borough. It's a double album of violin and electronic music, and I recommend that you all go out and buy it on Amazon when the concert is over, if you like the last piece. So, this is the LEMUR guitar bot. It plays itself. It's got a lot of electronics and robotics and things on the back. You're welcome to come up during intermission, take a look at it, and you're welcome to ask me what you just saw when you do that. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks. That was Eric Singer and the Guitar Bot.